Well, it's August time, I'm in the Blackpool rain. It's still great to be here again, and I wish you were here, all my postcards say. But not so much the stag parties, them hens, well, they are more scary. But those families having fun, it's always nice to see. So when the sun comes out, so do we, for a walk on the beach, a paddle in the sea. Some go up the tower to see all there is to see. But me, I took a walk on the prom. I got some chips and I got this song. Let me tell you my story, it won't take long. Taking a break from the punk rock bands, in search of Blackpool's golden sands, was a skinhead and his girlfriend and all of their friends. He'd spent some money, he'd spent some time on his hair, his clothes, his skinhead style. He felt real good right there on the Golden Mile. His girlfriend gazed into his eyes, clutched his hand, this is my guy. In the Las Vegas of the North, she'd won first prize. But things are about to take a downward turn, and I hope from this that some may learn to have more respect for those who need our care. When this seagull out walking along the prom, on the lookout for food, not doing any harm, got a shock and a Doc Martin boot right up its arse. Well, his girlfriend giggled, and so did his mates, because our hero, well, he must be brave. But there's a twist in the tale, things just didn't go his way. Well, the bird took flight, well, so would you. But a gull has to do what a gull has to do. He turns in the air and he aimed for the skinhead crew. Well, the skinhead is now flustered and his face is all red. His hands are flapping above his head. I think that you and your mates, you've just lost your street cred. It seems he's got more hair than he's got brains. He's as slow as that driving Blackpool rain. And I think that seagull shit on your jacket, it's gonna stain. Well, the bird took flight with a triumphant cry, a defiant shrill that fills the sky, and a lesson to us all on the streets, you did just occupy. Defending ourselves against cowards and creeps, bullies who pick on those they think weak. You'd be surprised what you can do with just a sharp beak. Skinhead now, seagull one. Skinhead now, seagull one. Skinhead now, seagull one. Skinhead now, seagull